Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadli, and in this video we're gonna talk about the style attribute. So let's just define the style attribute. And the style attribute is used to add styles to an element. It could be the color, background color, size, font color, and font size. This is how we define the style attribute. Now let's just have a look at the syntax of the style attribute. First of all, you have to write the name of the tag, then you have to write the style, and you would give property and a value pair. Alright, let's just see how the things work in the editor. In this video, we're gonna learn about a couple of things such as how to change the background color of an element, how to change the text color, how to change the font size, and how to change the font family, and in last, how to align the text. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you how to change the background color. For that, you have to write the style, you will write the background color. Now you have to give the value here, a red color. Save this thing and refresh it again. Now you can see that the background color of my body in HTML5 is red. If I just go for the blue one, I could easily go for the blue one. Okay, if I just go for the yellow, that would be an easy to eye color, I guess. So that was the background color. Now I would like to change the text color. Okay, so for the text color, what I need to do, style, I will write the color here, then colon, then I will write the color name. Let me just refresh this again. Okay, it doesn't look so good here, so I would prefer to go with the red one. Save this thing and run this again. Okay, this looks better. Okay, so we have learned to change about the text color. Now we have to learn how can I change the font size. You can go with the px, and you can also go with the percentage as well. Okay, if I just write the 150, it would change its value. If I just go with the 250, now we will just learn how to change the font family. Okay, for that you have to write the style here, and font family is it's a word dana. Okay, it will work fine now. And now you would see the change of font family. Okay, you can see here. So what is the last thing here? Okay, the last thing here is how to align the text align center. Now you would see that it will align the text into the center. Refresh the thing and it align the text into the center. Okay, this is all for this video, and if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.